At the outset, I welcome you all to this special lecture on deciding about which college to be selected for your 11th standard. I hope that it's not only the students who are attending this session, but surely there are some parents as well who have been attending this session. If those students can raise the hands whose parents are also attending, can you just raise the hands if their parents are also attending the session? Yeah, that gives me a kind of brief insight. That's it. For that purpose I'm asking. म्हणजे काय ना की म्हणजे काय असं नको व्हायला की मी मुलांशी जसं बोलतो तसंच तिथं बोललो की अचानक पॅरेंट्सला वाटायला लागेल की बाबा काय होते. Students have a different kind of feel altogether about us. They have a different kind of understanding with us. We have a different rapport now with the students, and that's why okay, anyways, I welcome you all the students, all the parents. Now I'll try to keep this particular session in a multilinguistic kind of way. कारण काही लोकांना असं वाटतं की बाबा मराठीत बोललेलं जास्त बरं पडतं. For some of them it feels they feel कि यार इंग्लिश में चले तो ज्यादा सही है. For कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि हिंदी भी हो जाए तो अच्छा लगेगा. Well, I'll try to keep this particular session in the multilingual. One of the basic question, एक यक्ष प्रश्न जो आता उभारलेला आहे तो असा की तो यक्ष प्रश्न असा की आम्ही सर 10वी साठी अभ्यास केला, 10वीची परीक्षा रद्द. आम्ही सीईटी साठी अभ्यास करायला लागलो, सीईटीची परीक्षा रद्द. आता पुढे जर 11वीचा अभ्यास करायला लागलो आणि 11वी पण रद्द झाली तर मग काय? मग आम्ही कॉलेजला ऍडमिशन घेऊ की नको? जाऊ दे घरी बसूनच आपण 11वी करूयात. That is not possible. Because today or later, maybe 2 months, maybe 6 months, the things have to normalize. The things have to come back. We will again go back to the colleges. We will again go back to the classes. And if that's the case, it's very important to take this decision of where should we join our college, especially for FYJC and SYJC, that is first year junior college and second year junior college. इसमें दो बातें हैं. एक, जो बच्चे यहाँ पूना में हैं ऑलरेडी, उनके लिए भी सवाल बनता है कि हमने कहाँ एडमिशन लेनी चाहिए. दूसरा, जो स्टूडेंट्स पूना में नहीं है, बाहर से ये सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं और इसी तरह से क्लासेस भी अटेंड करते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर देयर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड पुणे? कैन यू पीपल रेज द हैंड्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड पुणे? Around 30-40 people are there in the given population of 100 who are from outside Pune. तो उनके लिए भी ये सवाल है कि हमने कॉलेज पूना का लेना चाहिए या बाहर का लेना चाहिए. क्योंकि पिछले साल जो लोगों ने यहाँ ली थी एडमिशन, वो तो बेचारे आ ही नहीं पाए. तो क्या फायदा हुआ? हम लोग हमारे गांव में ही ले लेते हैं एडमिशन. फर्क ऐसा पड़ता है कि अगर सपोज आज नहीं 6 महीने बाद अगर सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाता है, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली एक्सपेक्टेड नाउ, हर व्यक्ति को. इनफैक्ट देखा जाए, मैं फ्रैंकली बात करूं अगर इस बात पे देखा जाए तो आम इंसान के लिए तो सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया है. आप और मैं जो हैं, हमारे लिए जिंदगी नॉर्मल चल रही है. हम लोग को जब चाहे हम लोग बाहर निकलते हैं, हम लोग बाहर खाना खाने जा रहे हैं, बाहर घूमने जा रहे हैं. बट वो दिक्कत क्या है, हमारी गवर्नमेंट को लगता है कि स्कूल कॉलेज खोल देने से कोरोना का विस्फोट हो जाएगा, और इस वजह से वो थोड़े से असमंजस में हैं कि स्कूल कॉलेज खोले जाएं, नहीं खोले जाएं, कहीं खोल रहे हैं, कहीं बंद कर रहे हैं. सो देयर आर द डिफिकल्टीज, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट एवरीवन इज फेसिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इन द लाइफ. तो अब जो बाहर के लोग हैं उनके लिए सवाल है कि हम हमारे गांव में एडमिशन लें या फिर पूना में आकर एडमिशन लें। पूना के बच्चे सोचते हैं कि हमने कहाँ एडमिशन लेनी चाहिए, पूना में तो लेनी है पर पूना के किस कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेनी है। इन सब क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देने के लिए ये सेशन अरेंज हुआ है। और एक सबसे बड़ा सवाल, देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स हु आर फ्रॉम सीबीएसई बैकग्राउंड, who did their 9th 10th in CBSE. How many of you are there in CBSE? Can you please raise the hands, all those who were in CBSE? देखिए करीब करीब 25-30 बच्चे हैं who are from CBSE. So there are some students from CBSE, ISC board, and they are thinking कि हमने कहाँ लेना चाहिए एडमिशन, whether we should move on to the state board or not. अब इसका आंसर दो पार्ट्स में आएगा। पहला कि आपने आपका करियर कैसे परस्यू करना है। If you want to grow, if you want to do the studies in any of the professional courses, may it be a chartered accountancy course, may it be CS, may it be MBA, in that it is prima facie suggestible, to be very frank on that the student remaining in Pune's college will always be better as compared to having the college in their respective hometowns. This is the answer to first question. For all those students who are located outside Pune, and if they want to take their admissions into the professional courses of any category, it is not necessary that it is related to CA, it is not related to CS, it may be related to MBA, CFA, whatever professional courses that you want to do. If you want to do a professional course in your life, the very first and foremost answer is you should be taking the college in Pune. Why? Maybe for 11th standard, you may not go to the college. Maybe. I'm not negating the fact that very soon they'll be starting the 11th standard colleges also. But at the same time, I'm saying, maybe it may so happen. WHO on the other day has given a clear-cut statement saying that now the colleges and schools must start. If not, then it will affect the mental peace of the students. So considering that fact, schools and colleges have to start. Maybe 6 months later, but they have to. तो हो सकता है 11th का आपको कुछ ही पार्ट मिले, बट 12th के लिए तो आपका ऑलमोस्ट पूरा साल कॉलेज में जाने वाला है। एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस आई वुड सजेस्ट, क्योंकि अगर सपोज आप प्रोफेशनल कोर्स डिसाइड करते हो जिसके लिए आपको पूना में आना पड़ता है, और बाद में अगर सपोज आपको वापस हर बार कोई सेमेस्टर सबमिशन के लिए, कोई सबमिशंस के लिए, कोई असाइनमेंट्स के लिए अगर गांव जाना पड़ा, इफ यू हैव टेकन द एडमिशन इन द कॉलेज एट योर होम टाउन, then it will create the difficulty. It will create more distractions, traveling will increase, and to avoid that, I would suggest you should go for the colleges in Pune. That's the answer to first question. What I'll do is at the end, for 10 minutes I'll keep a question answer session. उस बीच में मेरे पूरे सेशन के बाद अगर आपको फिर भी कोई सवाल बचता है तो you can ask those questions at the end. Otherwise you can put your questions in the chat box wherever you feel right. I hope I'm going good for everyone. आपको मैं जिस तरह से बात कर रहा हूं ये ठीक चल रहा है या आपको कुछ all going good? Okay. Especially to the parents, they may have more questions, no? आता होतं काय, एकदा आपण ठरवलं की पुण्यात ऍडमिशन घ्यायची आणि त्यानंतर पुण्याचं ते मानबिंदू म्हणजे काय, तर आपण ऍडमिशन घ्यायला हवी ती BMCC ला. का? तर ते मानाचं गणपती की. I will never say no to it, that you should not take the admission there if you have got good percentage. In fact, everyone, यहाँ जितने भी बैठे हैं सबको बढ़िया बढ़िया परसेंटेज मिले हैं. For your kind information, to be very honest with you people, the highest of my life is 67, जो मुझे 10th standard में मिले थे 67. उसके बाद मैंने कभी वो आंकड़ा नहीं छुआ है। In my 12th standard, I got 63%. I am a chartered accountant today. Don't worry on that part. मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूं? Many of them have an understanding कि यार एकत्वम में है तो CA ही करना पड़ेगा. It's not the case. At Ekatvam, when we talk about 11th and 12th standard, our focus is that how you should be understanding the concepts from the base. आपने आगे चल के सीए ही करना चाहिए ऐसा हमारा इंटेंशन नहीं होता है। हाँ, हम लोग सीए के करिकुलम में ज्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ाते हैं, ज्यादा चीजें पढ़ाते हैं। दैट्स द डिफरेंट थिंग। वी टेक सीए फाउंडेशन, सीए इंटरमीडिएट, सीए फाइनल, इसके क्लासेस हम लोग लेते हैं। इसका मतलब हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऐसी नहीं है कि जो बच्चा हमारे पास 11th के लिए आता है उसने सीए करना ही चाहिए। वन कैन डू एनी ऑफ द कोर्सेज दैट दे वांट, बट एट 11th एंड 12th स्टैंडर्ड वी टीच प्रोफेशनली। तो अब सवाल बनता है कि अगर हम पुणे में एडमिशन ले रहे हैं किसी कॉलेज में, क्योंकि अगले साल तो पक्के में हम लोग 12th स्टैंडर्ड में तो हम लोग किसी ना किसी कॉलेज में जाएंगे ही जाएंगे, तो कौन से कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना चाहिए इन पुणे? परसेंटेज वाइज आई नॉट टॉक अबाउट कि किसका क्या कट ऑफ था, किसने कहां तक के एडमिशन दी थी, कौन सी लिस्ट तक के एडमिशन मिलती है। दैट ऑल प्रोसेस यू हैव डन द रिसर्च अ लॉट ऑन दैट। आप लोगों ने ऐसा उस रिसर्च को निचोड़ के पी लिया है, क्योंकि व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी आपके पास है, गूगल यूनिवर्सिटी आपके पास है, उसके बाद आपके मशवरे देने वाले जो रिलेटिव्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, ये सारे आपके साथ हैं। इन्होंने आपको इतनी दुनिया भर की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रखी है कि उस बारे में मैं कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दूंगा कि आपने फॉर्म कैसे भरना चाहिए, फॉर्म कहाँ भरना चाहिए। ऑनलाइन ही भरना है, और कुछ तो करना है नहीं। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल फॉर्म। ऑन द अदर डे आई सबमिटेड इट फॉर माय सन आल्सो। Now, if we are in CBSE or ISC board, should we get shifted from CBSE or ISC board to state board? Even if you do the finest kind of professional course, then also it doesn't make any difference whether you are in CBSE board, ISC board or state board. Because especially CBSE and ISC is going to support you up to 12th standard. उसके बाद तो ultimately BCom ही करना है ना। तो आगे चल के जब आप प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज करने जाओगे तो उसके लिए तो इसका बहुत बड़ा ऐसा एज सच बेनिफिट तो मिलने वाला है नहीं। एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस अ डायरेक्ट सिंसियर क्लियर सजेशन विल बी shifting to state board will not make any difference even though you were in CBSE or ISC board up till your 10th standard. So I have given the answer to your second question. I hope I'm answering all the questions that you have in mind. Again, I repeat, question answers will have at the end. The next part, the third part, and the very important part, where to take the admission, which college is more preferable. Sir, should we go for that Manasa Ganpati BMCC, or should we wait, or should we go to a college where there'll be no problem at all? I am not going to give you any XYZ college ka suggestion. However, I'll give you a guideline based on which you can decide about your college. Number one, you should be selecting the college which is nearby our class area. Our class is located in Navi Pet, Pune, and second is Shukrwar Pet, Pune. ये दो जगहों पे हमारे क्लासेस लोकेटेड है। Now, if the class is located in Navi Pet and you are going to attend your classes on a regular basis, at least for 11th and 12th standard, if I'm not talking about the professional courses like CA, CS or the other courses, then what kind of colleges are near to Navi Pet or within the area of Navi Pet is Garware College of Commerce. There is this Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, BMCC. Adjacent to BMCC is Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Commerce, that is MMCC. Then absolutely very near to our institute academy is Sir Parsuram Bhau College, that is SP College. Why I am taking the names of these colleges? Because when you'll be filling that form number 2, in that you'll be finding the full names of these all colleges. Then in Mukund Nagar, there is a college called as Lohia College of Commerce. So these are the colleges which are quite near. Then Deccan area में देखा जाए तो Deccan area में आपको मॉडर्न कॉलेज मिलेगा एक. अगर आप कस्बा पेट एरिया में आते हैं तो वहां पे आपको एक कॉलेज मिलेगा which is called as HV Desai College. Then if you are opting for the girls college, then there is on Lakshmi Road, there is this college Huzur Paga. You can, and in the Kothurud side, near the Kothurud stand, there is this college called as Kaveri High School. I don't remember their name of the college exactly, but Kaveri High School is the place. KHS को कहते हैं हम लोग उसको. So these are the colleges which are in the nearby, close vicinity, hardly 2 to 3 kilometers from Navi Pet area. That's the name of list of the colleges that I am highlighting upon. You can take the Huzur Paga. I have already named that college. You can take the admission in either of these colleges. Kalmadi High School is what I had said already. Kaveri College of Commerce, ऐसा उसका college का नाम है. Kalmadi High School is KHS. हाँ. So these are the colleges in the nearby area. अब अगर आप पिंपरी चिंचवड एरिया में बिलोंग करते हो in Pune itself, if you are belonging to Pimpri Chinchwad area, if you stay in say Bavdhan, Wakad kind of area, then the nearby college you have is Surya Datta College. अब question यहाँ भी बनता है, whether we should take the commerce college or 11th 12th college near to our house or we should be taking it near to the classes. My suggestion will be near to the classes. Why? Because कभी भी assignment submit करना है जाके आ सकते हैं. अगर आपको जाके क्लास अटेंड करनी है तो you can just move out and go to the college. So for that purpose, it's always suggestible to go for the colleges nearby the class area. Even after that, if you're not able to get it, yeah, एक और college Symbiosis, I forgot about that, I'm sorry, because some of them have already heard of the name Symbiosis. You know, it's a different feel, you know. You stay in a different world. Garware, I started with Garware College, Rohit. And Wadiyas, oh, मतलब लोगों को तो, if you are staying in camp area, you can go for Wadiyas. If you are going staying in the Gokhale Nagar area, you can go for Symbiosis College of Commerce. I'll repeat the list of the colleges which are nearby the class area, maximum 3 kilometers from the class area. I'll name the list of the colleges. Number 1, Garware College of Commerce. Number 2, Sir Parsuram Bhau College, SP College. Number 3, Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, BMCC. Number 4, Marathwada Mitra Mandals College of Commerce, MMCC. Number 5, Modern College of Commerce. Next, HV Desai College. Next, Huzur Paga College. Next, near the Kothurud area is Kaveri College of Commerce. Then in Mukund Nagar, I had said Lohia College of Commerce. If you go to the Poolgate area, there you have Arihant College of Commerce. If you are staying in Kothurud, not on the stand area, on the Pound Road area, then MIT College of Commerce. These are the colleges which are nearby. I'm saying hardly 2 to 3 kilometers away from the classes area. Still, I'm going to come on a very important point at a later date, at a later discussion. अगर आप पिंपरी चिंचवड एरिया में रहते हो, where will I upload this lecture? I'll be uploading this lecture as an open link. I'll be sharing it on the group. Don't worry. Advait Kalmadi High School or Kaveri College is 2.5 kilometers from the class area, from Navi Pet. Right, 2.5 kilometers. Okay. Now, hold your horns. You ask the questions at a later point. Let me complete my point. If you are desiring to take the admission near your houses, and if you are staying in say Pimpri Chinchwad area, then you have the options of Jai Hind College, Pratibha College, Camp Education Societies College. There is one interesting college, that is Vidyavardhini College. There you can take the admission and name Ekatvam, and you will be having the benefits of that. If you are located in Pimpri Chinchwad area, you can go to the Vidyavardhini College, and you can the assignment submission and the paper giving will be the only thing that will be required, right? So this is about the colleges that you should be selecting. On what basis, what should be the criteria? And the most important criteria for selection is, the most important criteria for selection is, if you get the subjects of your choice, then and only then you should take the admission. Honestly speaking, what happens is, for the sake of name and fame, you want BMCC, you want Garware. But what happens is, for protecting their own faculty, what these colleges do, I am talking very frankly on this part, what these colleges do is कि वो आपको कहेंगे नहीं नहीं हमारे पास मैथ्स की जगह भर गई है, अब आपको एसपी लेना पड़ेगा. You don't have any choice. You'll be required to take SP as a subject. You'll be required to take IT as a subject. आपको जबरदस्ती कोई सब्जेक्ट लेने के लिए फोर्स करेंगे which you don't want. कुछ लोग सोच रहे होंगे सर वो मैथ्स नहीं लिया तो नहीं चलेगा क्या? I'll tell you, अब टिल 10th आपने जो मैथ्स किया था और अब जो आप मैथ्स कर रहे हो, इसमें बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. Up till 10th it was the core concepts, but now it is the application of that concepts. अब जो सिलेबस आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे, many of the students will vouch on this point, कि आप अब जो मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हो, that is more related to the businesses, that is more related to the applications, and therefore remove that phobia from your brain, from your mind, that maths is something. And when you are learning it from Girish B. Joshi, G.B. Joshi, I need not explain anything further on that for all those students who are already been attending the classes, because those students are not only liking the subject of maths now, if they had the phobia of it, they are loving it. 100% loving it. I know about it. I've been a student, so I know his way of teaching, his way of talking it. Though there is no doubt about it. So I would suggest that you should be taking the admission only in such college where you get the subjects of your own choice. And in that, the primary suggestion will be, do not sacrifice on the subject of mathematics. Why you shouldn't sacrifice on the subject of mathematics? Friends, whether you are doing chartered accountancy ladder, whether you want to do company secretary course, whether you want to do CMA course, whether you want to do CFA course, that is certified financial analyst, whether you want to do MBA, whether you want to do any of these professional courses, भाई गणित तो आएगा ना, कॉमर्स करोगे, हिसाब किताब नहीं आएगा, कैसा चलेगा? आपको अगर कैलकुलेशन वही नहीं समझेगा तो आप कैसा बिजनेस करेगा? या जब आप जाके कोई प्रोफेशनल बन के कोई बिजनेस में जाएगा, वहां प्रोफेशनल का काम क्या होगा? हिसाब किताब ठीक से बताना ना. तो आप जब मैथ्स ही नहीं करेगा तो हिसाब किताब कैसा बताएगा? फिर तो आपको जाके वो टूथब्रश बेचना पड़ेगा, फिर वो आपको कंपनी वाला कहेगा आप जाके मेडिसिन बेच के आओ. जब आप मार्केटिंग MBA मार्केटिंग करोगे तो यही करना पड़ेगा. आपने कॉमर्स का ये टूथब्रश बेचने के लिए किया हुआ है? नहीं, you have joined this particular course for the purpose of attaining a kind of job where you will be on the top. And for that purpose, it is necessary to sow the seeds from now and calculation is the base for every subject, every professional course. और बहुत सारे बंदे कहते हैं सर अगर 12th के बाद बीबीए करना हो तो 12th के बाद बीसीएस करना हो, कुछ भी कोर्स करना हो आपको, उसका मैथ्स तो बेस बनने ही वाला है ना. And therefore I would suggest, now I have given you the list of colleges and I have told you one very important point. Select the college where you get all the subject that you want and remove the phobia of mathematical calculations. Those will be the part of your life. So this is about the primary. Ekatvam is having tie-up with which college? Very important question. Honestly speaking, we cannot do the tie-up formally with any of the colleges. However, in Pune city, if you want to take the admission, you can take the admission in Arham College. You can take the admission in Arihant College. You can take the admission in PVG's Muktangan College. You can take the admission in Pimpri Chinchwad. If you are taking, you can take the admission in Vidyavardhini College, where these people have promised to cooperate with us, right? So in these all colleges, you can put the name of those colleges. I'll put these all names on the group. I'll put all these names on the group, and you should fill those names in your form number 2. These colleges will surely be supporting you in your professional courses, right? We are not against any of the colleges. You can take the admission in any of the colleges, but take those colleges where you get your subjects, right? Now the questions, what will be the timing of offline classes? Tanish, भाई ऑफलाइन क्लासेस चालू हो जाएगी ना तो तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर. जब चालू होगी मॉर्निंग बैच मॉर्निंग में होगी, इवनिंग बैच इवनिंग में होगी. There will be 2 timings for the classes. Are these colleges near to our academy? As far as the Arihant College is concerned, it is located at Pool Gate, which is 4 kilometers from academy. PVG Muktangan, 3 kilometers away from the academy. Third name I had suggested was Arham. Arham is also near Pool Gate only. That is, Arihant and Arham are located very nearby. So these kind of colleges you can take. Now I'll open the forum for whether online lectures will start when the offline classes will be there. And the answer is clear, yes. We have made the arrangement in all our classrooms whereby we can take the offline and online sessions at the same time. So it will continue. Which is nearest to the class? As I said earlier, Garware College, SP College, BMCC College. These are the nearest, right? I'll open the forum to ask the questions. I would suggest do not ask the question by typing it in the chat box so that people will also be hearing it. I have kept you people to allow to be unmuted yourself. Whomsoever is having the question, just raise the hand and then ask the question. Yes, Sanchit, go ahead.
Sir, yes. Yesterday, my parents and I was filling the form. So in that college list, the Marathwada Mitra Mandal College of Commerce, the location was shown as Aund.
No. Don't select the Aund one. They have one branch in Aund, but you need to select it in Deccan.
Okay, but there was no such college.
It must be there. It must be there. You cross-verify once again.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt about what Sachit said. They are showing the location as near Deccan Gymkhana, but the actual area they are showing on the site is Aund.
No, it's not in Aund. They have one branch in Aund, but their core college is in Deccan area. That is adjacent to BMCC only. Yes, Sakshi, go ahead.
Sir, actually, we have. I'm in SPM school. So through in-house quota, we have admission to NMV Girls High School and NMV Co-ed. So are these colleges?
They are very strict. I would simply reply that way. Okay, you need to attend that college very regularly. And 11th,
Okay.
12th, you can attend it. So if it is possible, you should go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, Ved. तो जिनका आंसर हो जाए ना वो सिर्फ अपने हाथ नीचे करते जाओ, मतलब वेद गो अहेड.
हा सर, मला हे विचारायचं होतं की जर समजा आपल्याला कॉलेजमध्ये मॅथ्स भेटलं नाही आणि आपण कोचिंग मध्ये मॅथ्स कंटिन्यू केलं तर नाही का चालणार?
ते चालतं, आम्हाला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. वी डोंट हॅव अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग की तुम्ही ते कॉलेजमध्ये असलं तरच आम्ही ते मॅथ्स शिकवणार. That's always good, but I would suggest one thing, Ved, that if it is available in the college, you will be required to study one subject lesser. कारण इकडे मॅथ्स पण वाचावं लागेल आणि तिकडे एसपी चा पण अभ्यास करावा लागेल.
येस सर, येस.
That will create the trouble for you.
थँक्यू.
Tanika, go ahead, beta.
Yes, sir. Sir, have you heard of the City Pride Junior College? It's in Pradhikaran.
But that's, I think, CBSE.
No, sir, it's state board.
If it is state board, you should go for it. There is no problem. Because there
Okay.
are some students who come from City Pride.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Sudeep, go ahead.
येस सर. सर विचारायचं होतं की सर मी 4 सब्जेक्ट घेतले आपल्या ट्युशन साठी.
करेक्ट.
तर मग 4 सब्जेक्ट असतील का मग एका कॉलेजमध्ये अवेलेबल?
हो, असतातच ना. असतात म्हणून तर इन्सिस्ट करतोय ना की ज्या कॉलेजमध्ये मिळत असतील त्याच कॉलेजमध्ये ऍडमिशन घ्या. कारण काय होतं ना की फक्त कॉलेजच्या नावाच्या ऐवजी जर तुम्ही तुमच्या सब्जेक्ट्सवर फोकस ठेवला तर ते जास्त चांगलं नाही का?
येस सर.
हाँ तनिष, गो अहेड.
गुड इवनिंग सर. मैं तनिष की मम्मी बात कर रही हूँ. एक्चुअली मेरा भी जैसे सिटी प्राइड का भी पूछा था सानिका ने, मेरा लड़का भी सिटी प्राइड ही लेना चाहता है. लेकिन फ्यूचर में मैं उसको सीए फाउंडेशन का क्लास भी ज्वाइन करवाना चाहती हूँ इन 12th.
पिंपरी चिंचवड एरिया में रहती है?
जी जी.
I would suggest विद्यावर्धिनी as compared to City Pride.
क्योंकि नहीं फाउंडेशन के वही मुझे था कि फाउंडेशन के क्लासेस से कॉलेज से
उसी हिसाब से मैं बहुत ओपनली बात करूंगा आपके साथ.
ओके
कि आप विद्यावर्धिनी ले लीजिए, वो ज्यादा सुटेबल रहेगा.
ओके सर.
मैं ग्रुप पे उसका डिटेल डालने वाला हूँ.
ओके सर, आई विल सी इनटू दैट. थैंक यू.
नो प्रॉब्लम. श्लोक, गो अहेड.
Good evening, sir. I'm having 2 questions. Sir,
Just 1 minute, Shlok. Just 1 minute. Yes, go ahead, Shlok.
Sir, I have seen colleges with brand name like GMCC and Garwari. Those students who are part of that college, they are chosen by Big Four for articleship mainly.
Shlok.
First preference is like that.
Shlok. I have list of the students who have not been into these colleges and they are still into Big Fours. So it doesn't make any difference which college you were in your 12th standard, right? See, I'll tell you one thing. From the social point of view, yes, it does make a lot of difference. कई सारे पेरेंट्स का एक पॉइंट होता है कि उनको कोई भी आके पूछता है बेटा क्या कर रहा है, कॉमर्स. अच्छा, कहाँ कौन से कॉलेज में जाता है? BMCC. पापा का कॉलर टाइट हो जाता है. So that's one of the basic reason, why people go for it. But I would seriously tell you this. I have not seen the impact of that on your resume.
Okay, sir. And my second question was, is Symbiosis CBSE?
No. Symbiosis is state board only.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sarvesh, if you are confident enough that you have to go in those colleges only, then select it in the round 1 itself. Don't wait for round 2. Vincent's College is CBSE, I think. Pranav. Yes, go ahead, beta.
So, if you have to do CA foundation classes in 12th, so which type of college should we take? The one where attendance is compulsory?
See,
or
I won't comment on this in open, but wherever you are cooperated, that will always be a better option. Right?
Okay, thank you.
I hope you
So,
got
and
my
one more
point.
question, is the attendance compulsory?
Sorry?
In BMCC, is the attendance
Of course, 75% minimum.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Sakshi, go ahead, beta.
So actually on 23rd and 24th, we have the enhanced quota round for SP college too.
Okay.
So if we get admission in SP college, how do we know at that time? Like if maths is going to be available or not.
You confirm that first. You confirm that first. That will be
Yeah.
told by the college people only.
Okay. So we
Yeah.
need to ask them. Right
Yes,
away.
yes. They have. You have to ask it deliberately.
Okay.
Harsh, go ahead. See, in fact, I have got a lecture scheduled after this. So I'll try to answer maximum of the questions wherever it is possible. Still, even after that, if you have the questions, we'll try to sort out that how it can be answered. Harsh, go ahead.
Sir, if I have like 90% and the cutoff of third round of BMCC is also 94, so the chances of getting admission there are very low. So still I put it in the preference list.
You can. There is no problem. You can, but you put it at the latter point. Na? Yes, Garware College has compulsory attendance.
Okay.
Put it in the latter sequences. Na?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Shweta, go ahead.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shweta. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, while selecting optional subjects, should we prefer a language or IT subject?
IT would be good, I would say, because when it comes to French, German, Sanskrit, there you'll be required to study, but IT is more easier for you people.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Ajinkya, go ahead.
सर यशने जसा प्रश्न विचारला की कोणतं कॉलेज घ्यायचं जर आपल्याला सीए फाउंडेशनला जायचं असेल तर तोच प्रश्न आहे. पण सर आपलं जे आता तुम्ही म्हणताय जे कॉलेज सपोर्ट करतील तुम्ही जे नाव सांगितले त्यांना आपण प्रिफर करू शकतो का फर्स्ट?
अगदी अगदी बिंदास बिंदास.
चालेल. ओके, थँक्यू सर.
Okay. Purva, go ahead. CA Foundation has been preponed by 6 months. Like till last, it was 6 months after 12, but now it is exactly after 12th final exam. Yes, Bhumika. Now the CA Foundation exam comes in May of your. Suppose you have completed your 12th. उसके बाद जो May आएगा, उसमें आपकी exam आएगी. If you are joining CA Foundation, खैर उस पे मैं आराम से जहां तक सीए की बात है उसके लिए हम लोग एक अलग से लेक्चर अरेंज करेंगे. इस समय पे हम लोग 11th पे फोकस करते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is Siagar College okay with attendance? Yes. Purva, go ahead.
Sir, which colleges are preferable near Katras, Pune, Satara Road?
I think JSPM has a commerce college there. But in that case, Purva, I would suggest if you are staying in that area and the college near classes will be more preferable as compared to going on in the Katraj area.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Would you recommend Garware or BMCC for 91.2%? Ayush, I have clearly said this earlier itself. I won't comment on this because what will be the cutoff this time? No one is aware of because उस दिन जी 24 तास पे एक टैगलाइन आई थी, सारे घोड़े एक बराबर, right? So that's the kind of situation. Varun, don't go for it. Kaustubh, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Karthik, yes. Kaustubh, go ahead.
Sir, what is the exactly difference between CBSE and HSC colleges?
Syllabus.
Nothing else?
For CBSE, the syllabus is more. For CBSE, attendance 100% is compulsory. For CBSE, Rutuja, they cooperate. For CBSE, you will be required to do the in-house studies a lot.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Digvijay, go ahead. I'll take last 10 questions now.
Hi, sir. I am his elder brother.
Yes, yes. Brother. Go ahead.
Actually, I am not from commerce background. I just wanted to know what all subjects are compulsory in.
Accounts, economics is compulsory. One language is compulsory. Then some colleges offer OCM as a compulsory subject. Some offer IT as a compulsory subject. Maths and SP. These are the subjects. What I suggest is take the first language, second language, accounts, economics, OCM, and maths. These are the 6 subjects that you should be taking.
Okay, second language. Okay, fine, sir. Thank
you. Yes, Avnish.
Sir, can you repeat the subjects one?
Accounts, economics, OCM, maths, first language, second language.
Thank you, sir.
Advait, I'll put the detail of that. Chetan, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I wanted to ask that which college is near to our classes with whom we have tie-up?
No, we don't have the tie-up. I've clarified earlier.
Yes, no,
However,
but sir,
if
we
you
could
take the
easily
admission
cooperate
in
with them.
Arihan College, if you take the admission in Arham College, if you take the admission in Lohia College,
So then which
or-
will be near to our classes?
yeah, it's hardly 3 kilometers from our classes. And there you have limited problems.
Okay, sir, thanks.
Yes.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, this is Avnish. I wanted to ask what is the difference between BMCC aided and non-aided college?
Aided is where the fees is discounted, and unaided is where you have to pay the full fees.
Sir, and is there any difference in
Both
the
are
cutoff?
affiliated to state board. Both have no problem. I'll be putting all the details tomorrow morning on the group related to the college names and their addresses. Purva, go ahead, beta.
Sir, which optional subject is more preferable if we are thinking about CA in future? Language or IT?
IT is okay. Hard visit. IT is okay.
Okay.
Yes, Advait. Yash, go ahead.
Sir, as BMCC is an autonomous college, does it have any
No,
effect?
no, autonomous has no sambandha with your 11th and 12th standard.
Sir, it has no effect.
No, 11th and 12th standard is state board affiliated college only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sudeep.
सर सर जसं तुम्ही सांगितलं राहिला सर मी पीसीएमसी मध्ये सर मग जसं म्हणतात की पुणे सिटी मधले कॉलेज जास्त म्हणजे प्रेफरेबल आहेत पीसीएमसी पेक्षा तसं सर काय आहे का म्हणजे चेंज किंवा डिफरन्स
सी जर तू प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करत असशील, जर तू 11वी-12वी एकत्वामध्ये असशील, तर कुठल्या कॉलेजमध्ये आहोत ह्याचा मला नाही वाटत काही फरक पडतो. Tanmay, go ahead.
So what is the base for a particular student to get maths as a subject?
What is the
Base.
base? No, not as such. Your 10th percentage, that's it. Yeah, Joke College is also good. There is no problem. ती जोग म्हणतात त्याला ते कोथरूड मध्ये. ओम.
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask, what about MMCC's attendance? Is there any?
That is reasonably okay, but they somehow get managed. Shweta.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, actually yesterday I did Google to some sites of the colleges. There I find environmental science as a
श्वेता तेरी आवाज पूरी गिर गई. नासा वाले खींच के गए तेरी आवाज.
compulsory subject over there.
नासा
Hello
वाले.
sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Sir, actually yesterday I did Google to some sites of the colleges. There I find that environmental science is a compulsory subject over there. So is it, sir?
That is additional college. That is additional subject. They take it for internal purpose.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Yes, कॉलेज कोई सा भी हो, हमें पेपर तो बोर्ड्स के ही देने हैं. ये बात तो सही है. सानिया, this is the last question. हाँ. Sania, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Is there any chance for me to get admission in BMCC with 98.60% and
Absolutely,
also
you will be.
hostel, sir?
Yeah, you will be able to get it.
So in first round?
Yeah, first round itself you'll be able to get it.
Okay, sir. And what about the hostel
कहाँ
criteria?
बेचारे जितने मेरे जैसे बंदे बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, कहाँ उन बेचारों को कॉम्प्लेक्स दिला रही है कि that you have got 98.6. बेचारे सारे के सारे ऐसे डर गए यार. हम लोग इतना परेशान बैठे हैं, हमारे 90 और 91 है और तू कह रही है कि 98 में मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. जरूर मिलेगा.
Sir, because sir बहुत से लोगों को 98, 99 मिला है. So I
अरे
asked.
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. उनके पास इनटेक कैपेसिटी अच्छा है.
Okay, sir. Because just because of hostel I opted for
I
BMCC.
can understand that. Even Garware College has the hostel facility. If you don't get in BMCC, Garware College also has the hostel facilities.
Okay,
And
sir.
both their hostels are good.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, रहने के लिए. बाकी खाना पीना तो मोह माया है.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. हमें कितना टेंशन लेना चाहिए अगर हम लोग 90% वाले हैं तो. Well, anyways, I hope this session has a bit in a bit way helped you all to go ahead.
Sir, last question, sir. Please, last question, sir. Which colleges has low attendance?
Chaitanya, I cannot answer these kind of questions in open. We'll be putting some of the colleges on the group. Don't worry on that part. I hope I have supported you in a way for your queries. Still, if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can come back and you can keep troubling us. But थोड़ा सा क्या होता है, कई बार आप फोन करते हो, उस समय पे हम लोग आपका कॉल अटेंड नहीं कर सकते, तो you put it on WhatsApp and we'll be replying it. So that is it for the day. We'll be meeting in the 11 session. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please upload the link of picture.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.